Here's my son, and he loves the watering can. Look, he knows exactly where it is. Oh my gosh. Oh heaven. And he knows how to water plants too, don't you, Hafa? Let's open this up. Okay. Let's go outside. And you can water the plants for us. Okay. There you go. Thank you. Good job. You want to water that plant too? Okay. There you go. Good job. I'm holding him so he can do this. Water the plant. We have more plants over there. Let's go. Oh, you want to water these plants? Oh, good job. Yeah, good job. Thank you. This is his new favorite toy. Okay. How about these plants? Okay, Mama's going to say, go ahead, water plant. Good job. Thank you. You're a tremendous help. Okay. Yeah. Such a big help. If I take the watering can away from him, he gets upset, so. I know, we have a lot more plants to water, don't we? Oh, what are you doing? You're getting water all over the place. See? So cute. He just waters the plants. And then when I bring him inside, he waters the toys out there inside the house. Oh, you're so helpful. Okay, Mama's going to put you down so you can water the other plants. Here, Hafa, there's more plants over here. Come over here. Look. Here he comes. Oh, yes. Thank you. Okay, now you take good care of them. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you're a big help. Okay, don't forget, you gotta get them all. Okay, no. There. I know, you see more plants there. Did you water all this? Are you done? Uh-oh, here's Kismet. Oh, he sees the Kismet plant. All right. Thank you, Hafa. You're a good sport. You're very helpful. Back. Somebody's still tending to his duties. Yeah, you're doing a great job.
No.
Intrigued by the kids in the backyard. Good job. Thank you so much.